check out CompassWave today. By popular demand, we have added support to set your estimate base cost via cost matrix. Today, I will set up a basic pricing matrix for a cleaning business. Simply add ranges line by line and finish off with an overage line item. Any home that uses the estimate tool that falls within the range of 1 to 1,000 square feet will cost a base price of $100. Any home that comes within the range of 1,001 square feet to 2,000 will cost $200. And let's finish with an overage line type. So any home greater than or equal to 2,001 square feet will have a base price of $300 and will cost an additional 15 cents per square foot over 2,001 square feet. Simply click Save Matrix, and we're done. Now, anytime a potential customer uses your estimate tool, CompassWave will calculate the base price via the cost matrix that we just created. Thank you very much, and have a great day.